In Trieste, smartphones are everywhere, even while walking or chatting in cafés. Across Europe, digital detox spaces are gaining traction, but in Trieste, this is still new. As screen time grows, so does the question, are we ready to unplug? How many hours do you think more or less per day?
Per day, according to my well-being app, 13 hours. It says 13 hours on Instagram, 9 hours on Google Maps, 6 hours on Facebook.
Ore di seguito no, però spesso. Sì.
I think like 2 hours a day. I don't use it a lot.
Tempo massimo. Difficile da dire.
Actually, I don't spend a lot of time on my phone.
No? How many hours do you think on a day, more or less?
I guess 1 to 2, maybe.
Non sono un tipo che usa molto il cellulare, preferisco fare altro, insomma.
4 hours maybe maximum, because I already wear glasses, so I shouldn't be spending too much time on my phone anyways.